khmat ki khubo ke punya Menteri Berkemi Yakatnat Boarding iti mondal ula ong baga Sorkar kan sebut Thong ban pendap ya karam ka ba Andrews pa Andrew Pusau Klur Tyngka ka basa Shakan National Thermal Power Corporation lani Ntpc tak ada Snem ahajar arpunyau. Ula ong baga Sorkar kala treshitom ban Siew dep lut ya baro kiram ki banang kieu kap nang mi ki Snem. Ula yathu ru baya karam ka ba Shaka Nipko ka Power Grid ka Ntpc bat kiwe lala ban Siew lut. Ula pentip balai na karam badangsa Shaka Ntpc ke Jylla kam don shu kiwei pat kiram hakabe day bat ke boarding.
Last 2 years we were working hard to repay the dues accumulated for the central utilities like NEPCO, Ntpc, even wheeling charge of power grid, Ntpc and all these things. Now we have neutralized all. We don't have any dues so far. Then the current charges, maybe this month's charges will be paid next month or 1-2 months will be there. Not like that 1 year complete due and all these things. We have some dues with Ntpc. That is the dues which accumulate for over the years. It was around 664 crore. We are targeting that by 27 we will neutralize that dues also.
Wala kaseng BJP Haduh